Okay, guys, so welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I'm making tonight. I'm making potato fries from scratch and turkey patty. Okay, so let's check on the French fries. It should be done by now. So let's see. Let's check on them. So these are French fries. These are sweet potato fries that was made from scratch. Nothing added, nothing out of the bag. I peeled them myself. And in here is the turkey patty that I make from scratch. So let's check on that. Okay, guys, so my fries is looking so beautiful. Look at it, just like I bought it at the store, but I didn't. It was cut up by me and cooked. Okay, so I'm gonna put them on my plate. So guys, let me tell you something. You don't have to buy McDonald's, Taco Bell. You don't have to buy all that stuff. You can literally buy the sweet potato like I just did and cut them up. All I do was cut them up in little slices, as you can see. See? It was cut up in little slices. And they are good, guys. Trust me. Let me give you guys a piece. See? Made by me from scratch. I peel it myself. Didn't buy it frozen. And it is so delicious. You hear me? Let me step back and look. Look at it. So delicious. Man. So good. Got it. So good. And crispy. Okay, guys, so let's check on the turkey meat. These turkey patties was made by me from scratch. From scratch. Okay, so delicious. So let's let cook a little bit. While that is cooking, okay, guys, so while that is cooking and I'm waiting, I need to get my honey mustard. I'm a honey mustard queen. I love honey mustard. So let's put some honey mustard all over it. So good. You guys. Make your own fries at home, okay? This is homemade from scratch. From scratch. Okay. Time for the meat. Okay. Let's make sure this is good. Like I said, I don't like Walmart meat, so turn that off. Put that in the sink. Okay, guys, so guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, new video coming soon while I teach you guys how to cook at home on a budget. Look at it. Look. Homemade French fries. Homemade sweet potato French fries. Let me give y'all the other side. Homemade. 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 Yes. Homemade, homemade, homemade. From my kitchen to your kitchen. Homemade. Okay, please like, share, subscribe, stay tuned, new video coming soon. Bye.